is it? Oh, hello, Internet. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this rolly door. Let's do it.
They won't just give in. They've got you where they want you. Only one way you can win.
I'm going to make the bases 34 inches because I'm working with kids. 34-inch bases. I can cut 2-foot beams for the other side of my triangle, and then do 45 and 45 to make a triangle support for the casters. I'm going to be using these 2.5-inch self-tapping screws to put the frame together. Now I'm going to put those 3 pieces together with some 2.5-inch screws so I can put these plates for the casters. I'm now going to attach these swivel casters to the base here. One there, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other triangle piece I have. Cut this inside one to be 80.5. The same, so because we sit 1.5 inches below on this 2x6 for our second piece. This one, I'm going to hit it in first, and then we're going to set it up. See about getting it.
Take a kick when you're down and get up strong. Look them in the eye and say that all you got.
Now that we've got them both standing, it's time to put the cross beam across the bottom. Keep these guys up, and then we'll put the top on so that we can screw our door into it. Alright. Mark your halfway points. Make this a little easier on yourself. Or, if somebody can help you, that's always good. But sometimes you don't have a helper. Thing like a block. Pre-drill your screws. Line it up. Put it up there.
Won't go away. They won't just give in. They've got you where they want you. Only one way.
Alright, we gotta start. Cap it off the top. Using my block staircase. Our frame, we can hang our door in it.
Fight like a girl. So many.
Alright, now we have to hang the door. Jam side first. Hello. Easier to take the door off. But what we're going to do is hang the first side. Make sure that it's plumb and level. So get it to where the dots clear here. The dots clear here. We're going to use shims going in here. And then we're going to put a cap on that afterwards. Alright, now we got this side shim, the top shim, plumb level. Press down our door, it shuts, put a knob on here, and then we can put some trim here and here. Cover up our stinkiness, but pretty good so far. We now have our rolls, latch, open. Voila! Right now that we have our door shin and our jamb, we are going to put up some molding to cover up anything that doesn't look nice. 45 and all angles. I'm going to use these finished screws. It doesn't look.
We're stronger than them, though they'll try to say we're not. Tell me no. We gotta prove ourselves everywhere we go and fight against the people who will tell us no. We gotta fight, 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 fight. We gotta.
All right. Now that we covered up some weird looking stuff, it's starting to look like a door. Next thing, gotta have a clamp there. Next thing we're gonna do is touch up any of the cracks, fill in the cracks. Here, some caulking. Let everything dry. Next thing I'm gonna do is use this trim board and make a cap around the outside.
We gotta fight twice as hard, twice as long. Take a kick when you're down and get up strong. Look them in the eye and say, is that all you got? You're stronger than them, though they'll try to say you're not. You've gotta prove yourself everywhere you go and fight against the demons who will tell you.
All right, now that we've touched up all the cracks, make our lighting designer happy, fill in any of the holes where the light might peek through. It's time to paint it. Then you put some paint on it, and voila! Beautiful door. You can roll around, walk through, and walk out of.
We gotta fight twice as hard, twice as long. Take a kick when we're down and get up strong. Look 'em in the eye.
Thanks for watching.